Welcome back. So this is once again working on Zignaly PineScript library so that it works more or less well in profit sharing 2.0. So let's see what was left to do from the last. Okay, so we need to release the library. I'm not sure this has been properly released. And we also need to use it on a template to see if it works as expected. Then later on we can work on some strategies so that this works better, I guess. So let me see. Release the library. Yeah, so if we go into the development, I think I have something. Yeah, so this is the Zignaly library profit sharing 2.0. So please wait a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I was able to build Zignaly 2 beta the other day. If we take a look at, I didn't push this. If we take a look at, yeah, I did push this. If you take a look, there's nothing more to do. So what I'm going to do is to release this in a private manner. So the first thing in order to release a library is just you adding it to the chart. You can have some strategy, what's the name? You can have some drawings in the library if you want to, but if you don't want to, it's not needed. And once you have added the strategy to the, once you have added the library to the chart, then you can publish it. So you publish the script, and it's going to have a lot of help, which I guess we will have to remove some of the help here. And Zignaly 2 beta, yeah. So this is going to be private. Library will only be visible to you and the others with whom you share its web link. That's what we want to do. Note that published scripts cannot use private libraries. Published. Yeah, so I want this to be public, but no, that's not right. Okay, yeah, so the day that I want to, yeah, so I don't care about this. So the day that I want to make a public script that uses the library, I will have to publish it publicly. Yeah, that's right. So what the hell is this? This is not sure what the hell I used on the other library, if I'm being honest. Maybe it's easier to check my other library. Let's see. What the hell do we have here? So here we want to check scripts, which are libraries. and we should have Zignaly beta. Let's take a look at Zignaly beta. Let's see, what the hell is this? What are the tags that we used? Is it shown somewhere? No, it is not. Why aren't there any comments? I thought that there were some comments here. Okay, let me check. I need the tags. What was the... Okay, here. Alerts and Zignaly are tags, common tags. Alerts and Zignaly. Okay, I guess. What the hell do I have? Here. Alerts and Zignaly. That's right. Yeah. So this is private, and it's Zignaly 2 beta because it's what we want to call it. The other one was called Zignaly beta, so this is Zignaly 2 beta. Let's see if we can have this. Oh, apparently you can write so much documentation. Before it was not so much reversed, or yeah, it's everything here. Nice. Finally. So Zignaly 2 beta, and this is version 1. Or version, is it version 1, version 0? It's version 1. Okay. Now we already have this new library, so this is citing. So now we can use it on a real example. We can use it on a... We can use it on a real script. So let me see. What could we use to test this library? Should we use one of the old ones? One of the new ones? That's a good question. Should we create a new folder? Okay, let me check. What the hell? Do we have this? So here we have the scripts and so on. We have the libraries with Zignaly 2 beta. So scripts. Should we create another directory? No, we should not. We just use a library that we know it works, and then work with 1 minute time frame, and that's it. So the current library that we are working on is Divergence. So what we should do is to copy this file, Divergence1, Phoenix. We call it with another name. Yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe I'm going to create the Divergence 2 because it's using profit sharing too, but I mean, I don't want to have all the... I don't want to have all of the I don't want to have all of the new scripts like something to. Okay, so let me see. How the hell do we do this? Diversions to. Should I open a new repo? No. The scripts PS2. I mean, it's not going to be quite a difference. It's just only you choose one library or you choose the other one. So this is iPhoenix. So what you want to have is J2. Let's call it this way. Wait a moment. What I'm doing here? Nothing right. Okay, so now we are going to add divergence G to wait a moment. My God, what have we done? Okay, so divergence G2 divergence pine, and then we want to delete this directory. And now we should be able to copy the file as expected. So now we can open this into here. And we can do, as always, we have the right date. This is going to be J1. And let's open this on the bottom. Wait, have we opened this on the bottom or not? Is it? Okay, there are two bottoms. That's interesting. I thought that I had already. Okay, so we have the same file on the top and on the bottom. Nice, so now I want to use J1 here. J1. Nice. So J1. So what we want to do is say something like based on, and so divergence Phoenix I, so the J is divergence 2. Nice. So now we should change the import, and that's it. So we should be able to go to the library that we have just published somewhere. Zignaly beta, this is not the one. And I mean, I must have closed it. So here we have Zignaly 2 beta. And yeah, you understand how to import this. So wait, is this like this? Yeah. So now you should say use Zignaly beta library, and that's it. So now we might have some problems. Let's see if we have problems or not. So we have this divergence J, which I'm going to add to the chart, and let's see if it likes it or not. So once we are here, I can open a new strategy, can copy and paste, save, and I will add it to the chart. Okay, maybe it will fail because I have modified the functions, so maybe it doesn't like the functions from Zignaly 2 beta. This is what, okay, no, this is a warning. This is a warning that we are already aware of. So now let's see what happens. So we should have exactly the same, what's the name? The same graph. And yes, more or less the same graph as I. I think I have I here, you know. I is here, so more or less is the same graph here. Yeah, I mean, it depends on how long. And this 18%, yeah, more or less it's the same thing. And so Zignaly 2 beta, I no longer need to show it. And what you want to do here is to test some stuff like the signals that are being sent. We are very lucky because the strategy has a nice debug. So you can turn on debugs and you will be able to check the signals on the chart or down here. Okay, so if you check them down here, you can see the signals. So you can see entry long. So this is a leverage multiplied by leverage false. So let's take a look. Let's check if commas are well placed in the right place. Let's see entry position size percentage. Wait a moment. Entry position size percentage. This has not been changed at all, but this should be changed. Entry stop loss percentage. That's right. That's the same thing. Ignore open contract check. Margin mode. So the difference is that we have multiply by leverage, which is false. Edge mode, which is false. Ignore open contract is false. Margin mode grows, which should be ignored. Exit side short. Okay. So the problem, I think the problem is in entry position size percentage. This is something that we have not changed on the library. So let's take a look at the library and see what does happen with entry stuff, because I know that we have changed position size quote. So position size quote is being used here and somewhere here. Entry position size percentage. This is not right. That's why you need to do some tests. Let me see. Position size percentage should be replaced like this. This is one approach. From quote total. Apparently we have replaced this, but not everywhere. So I guess that what we have done is replace whatever there was this exact wait a moment. Position size percentage from quote total, and what we have here is, where is it? Increase into position size. Yeah, it's not there. So yeah, so if we check for anything, we should have this. Okay, so I'm checking for the exact capital letters. That's why this is not finding whatever is wrong. It's this position size percentage. So this should be changed into the other ones, and I think we are done. Yeah, that's it. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So let's find out the right thing that we want to use. This one with capital letter. Replace everything, and there should be 2 of them. Okay, and this is, we have found this because I'm using the reverse entries, and I want to use the reverse entries properly. Okay, so let's fix this stuff. So this is going to be a bit boring. So Zignaly to beta. So if you do hit diff Zignaly to beta, so what you want to do is commit make sure to use positions in reverse orders too. Okay. More stuff. So what you want to do is reverse orders. Yeah. So the next thing that you want to do is to use this library. So you want to say use number 2, and that's it. So you want to add this file and say something like so this is DJ. What do we have used to say that this is was based on? Why can't I find? That's strange. Yeah, I might have version 2. I have yeah, this should be DJ, not DI, but I mean, I'm not going to or I am. I mean, I haven't pushed this, so I might be able to do something like this, and then say that I want to edit this one. Okay, so now it's DJ. Then I can rebase, and we are done. Nice. So now history has DJ, which is another commit, but it's the same thing. And now it makes sense. Everything makes sense. So let's do step by step. First of all, we want to publish the library with a fix. So we want to copy and paste the library, which is down here with this fix. So you want to go here, you want to hide this, you want to take a look at this source code. Let's paste here. This is going to be shown in the shot. As we don't draw anything, we are not going to see anything. Nice. So now we can publish the script, and then it will detect that it's already, yeah, don't update the chart. So this is make sure to use, I mean, we already have the message on the here. Don't need to. Non-updated charts. This is private. I think you can change this once you are publish new version. So now once it's published, you should have here the /2. Okay. And yeah, we can go back here, we can hide the Zignaly beta, we can show these divergence, we can go into its source code, and now we are going to change. So up here we can copy and paste everything. So let's go here. So it is showing stuff because we have the settings from before. So once it has been compiled, and it shows us the warning because it can be better written. Okay, so now I should be able to go to strategy tester. Wait a moment here. So now we can check, where is it? Entry long. Now we have entry position size percentage from quote total. Okay. Exit size short, and entry side should be long. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, entry site is long, and market type reverse. Market entry order type market. Yeah, I think that's it. So now I'm going to test this strategy privately. And if something does not work as suspected, I will complain or whatever. but that's the idea. The idea is that you want to test this stuff. So now let's end the stream. The stream. Let's end the stream here. So we have released this previously and we have tested. So next video, I'm not sure. Next video will be probably some fixes and some new parameters, because I think I would like to test some parameters. And there's this thing about prefix, custom prefix for orders, so that it's easier to DCA. I don't like DCA myself, but maybe I will try a bit about DCA or some strategies that are better if you DCA. If you enter several times, they are better. Not sure how to explain it. But yeah, so this is it. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.